but I think what we found is Swift wasn't the first quote unquote no code platform to the market, right? And so you're going into a market that was already there. However, what we found with our customer base was those that tried to address their challenges with some type of no code or low code solution were disenfranchised or were frustrated or didn't know where to start because they would hear low code, they would, hear low code, no code, but it really wasn't, right? They would try to do something that was effective for the business and you would keep getting roadblocks thrown up. So no matter how quickly they tried to develop, they would try to do X, Y, and Z, and it was like, well, I can't get to Z. And you work with a platform provider, and they're like, well, that we have to do that behind the scenes, right? And so uh, it becomes quite challenging when you really don't have that full functionality. So they were kind of handcuffed, and that was one of the things that was so enlightening when we saw Swift is there were no handcuffs, right? You can truly sit down. It's transparent. It's all in front of you. You can sit down and develop end to end very quickly. And that was really game changing. I mean, that is still is very game changing when the low code, no code message seems to still be heavy in the marketing space. But when you dissect that, and I mean, to your earlier point in my introduction, I've been a low code, no code evangelist for, I mean, prior to us meeting, I've seen the writing on the wall and the power of the code or the platform if it, when it takes shape, but you still see quite a bit. Now, those companies will remain nameless and their products will remain nameless, but there's a couple hundred of them out there that are still not truly low code, no code. But if you listen and read their website and listen to all their marketing campaigns and that, you would think, it's perfect. And I'm here to tell you, hands down, the vast majority of them that I've had hands-on experience with, they're not. There's always little caveats. There's things that you still need to go to the provider, open up a ticket, and have them work some magic behind the scenes because the power is not in my hands as an quote unquote end user. It still has to be managed through the platform.